What I want to do is an exercise really quick, because what I do is I give inspiration, I give strategy so that I can help people achieve extraordinary results. And so when I talked to Coach Fields, he said he has the talent, but he needs to get you over the level of being mediocre. That's the problem. And that is nothing but a mindset. That's it. That's all this is. It's a mindset of the fact that you don't want to be a champion. See, a lot of people want success, but they don't want what it feels like. Because success and being a champion comes with you giving up some stuff. It comes with you staying late after practice. It comes with you hitting it harder in the books. It comes with you also detaching yourself from poisonous relationships that some of you might have right now. So I want to do this exercise. When I ask you who you are, I want you to respond with conviction that I'm a champion. You ready? Who am I? I'm a champion. Okay, let's try this one more time. Who am I? I'm a champion. 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 That feels good, right? It feels real good. What you need to do is start developing the habits, right? Because successful people develop habits of taking full control of their minds. And the reason why they do that is because everybody's got one enemy. It's not about what's on the outside of you. The enemy is what's on the inside. It's the enemy telling you what you can and cannot do. It's the enemy telling you what you can and cannot accomplish. And so what I need you to do is every single day that the enemy is attacking you, saying, oh man, you're tired. Oh man, you should just give up. Oh, just go to sleep. You can do that paper later on. No, what I need you to do is get up and talk back to the enemy that's in your head. And I need you to tell the enemy that I'm a champion and I'm going to do what I need to do so I can get where I want to go. You feel me? See, it's hard, it's really hard. It's hard. I look at you out here right now and you're going through the pressures, you're going through times of pain. Who's out here, who's going through some pain right now? Physically, mentally, emotionally. But this is what you're going through. The reason why you're going through this pain now is because when you get deep into the season and you want to give up, you can go back to the place where you worked so hard. You see, when you work so hard for something, you're not going to give up. Right? You're not gonna give up when it's hard. And that's why two-a-days is terrible. Yeah, I hated two-a-days, I'll be real. Muhammad Ali hated training, every single bit of training. But he knew what it was to be a champion. He knew he had to go through the process to get to the prize. So I need you to understand that you're going through this right now, and it's developing habits. It's developing habits not just for now, but for the rest of your life. When you have children, when you have a marriage, when you have a successful business, when you have careers, there's gonna come a time where it's gonna feel like two-a-days. It's gonna come a time in your life where it's gonna be dark. And I'm telling you right now, if you develop the habits here of pushing through the barrier of being mediocre and start becoming a champion, having a championship mindset, what will then happen is that you will be successful in anything that you do. But it's gonna take focus. You guys are gonna have a great season this year. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Why? Because I know who Coach Fields is. I played for Coach Fields. Okay, I know he's preparing you for victory. But what I need you to do, I need you to focus in. I need you to put yourself in position. You got to put yourself in position in order to be successful, right? It's just like on the football field. Let me give you an example. Stand up real quick. If I'm not in position playing football, push me right now. And I'm sitting on my heel, guess what? It's all over. It's all over. If I put myself in position, if he pushes me again, guess what? I'm about to be successful. You feel me? That's the same exact thing you need to do in every area in your life, is put yourself in position when you can bring it home this year. I believe you can bring it home this year, but you got to believe it first. Coaches can't believe it for you. Your family can't believe it for you. The crowd, the fans, no one can believe it for you but up in here. You got to believe in each other, and you got to pick each other up. When someone's not going 100%, remind them why they're even here. When I played ball at Barron, it was a hard time for me. You think this is hard now? When you go to the next level, anybody want to go to the next level? This is real, keep it real. Let me keep it real. When I went to the next level, it was extremely hard for me to adjust. And I thought when I went to Maryland, I was going to be that guy. Hey, I was on top of the world when I was in high school. I saw guys who were better than me. But there's one thing, no one was going to outwork me. But I went through a period of depression. I went through a period where I wasn't playing. I went through a period when I got redshirted. And I was like, I didn't sign up for this. I didn't sign up to sit on the bench. But the fact of the matter is I knew why I was there. I knew why I was there because I was going to be the first to go to school in my family. I was going to be the first one to graduate. I was going to be the first one to start something and finish it. So I didn't leave. I went from depression and I went to my destiny and I graduated. Had a chance to sign with the skin. You have the ability to do anything that you want to do if you set your mind to it and that you burn all the bridges behind you. Burn all the bridges right now and just say that this is the season that we're going to have, and I know that coach has told you to write your goals down. Every successful person does it. Write them down. Look at them every single day. You got to become obsessed with it. And not just about football, I'm talking about the classroom too, because you will go nowhere if you don't have what you need academically. So develop the habit that when you go home today, you need to be reviewing your goals. What are your goals this year? And find out what you want. And most importantly, find out why you're here. Why are you here? Is it because you want to wear the sweet jersey and you want the honeys to look at you and all that good stuff? Because if that's why you're here, you will fail. If you're here because you want to succeed and you want to go to the next level and you want opportunities to open up, you will succeed. Because your actions are going to follow what you focus on. Focus on your goals, focus on why you're here, and I guarantee you, you will have a championship season. Who am I?
I'm a champion.
Who am I?
I'm a champion.
Who am I?
I'm a champion.